In the current state of tube rolling, you'll have one tube installed, and you'll listen to that tube for a little while. And once you've identified the characteristics of that tube that you want to compare, then you'll need to turn off your equipment. And wait for the tubes to cool down. Okay, now that the tubes have cooled down a little bit, I'll swap this one out with the tube I want to compare it to. All right, now it's ready to compare. Let's go ahead and listen to this one and do the comparison. As you can see, it's very difficult to get, it's impossible to do an A-B comparison between two different tubes in the current state of tube rolling. Let's take a look at the new state of the art in tube rolling using the Leghorn Preamplifier. Tube rolling with the Leghorn Preamplifier is tube rolling made easy. So first you'll listen to the music. And then once you've identified some characteristics that you want to compare, you'll switch to the tube that you want to compare with. Let's go back. Those tubes are very similar. Let's go ahead and compare now the center tube with the tube on the left. Did you hear that? The volume level got a little bit louder. It seems like the tube on the left maybe has a higher gain than the tube in the middle. So you can audibly hear the difference between the tubes that you're comparing side by side. Tube rolling with the Leghorn Preamplifier is tube rolling made easy. Thank you for taking the time to watch this demonstration. For more information, come see us at GlassCityAmplifiers.com.